3 simple steps to naturally boost testosterone. Currently, testosterone is in free fall in men. You've probably noticed that the importance of sexual hormones in our body is increasingly highlighted as we continually discover new benefits of maintaining high levels of sexual hormones over time. All this information is based on scientific evidence that shows how quality of life improves as time goes by if we maintain higher levels of sexual hormones like testosterone. So, in this video, you will see how to naturally increase testosterone simply by following these guidelines that will be shown today. Let's get started. The 3 steps. The first thing you need to understand, with any hormone and any process of endogenous production, that is, production that occurs within our body, not with nutrients such as vitamins or minerals that must be consumed externally, is that hormones have 3 steps to follow for their correct production. You need the raw material, you need a production factory that is in condition for proper production, and you need that there are no obstacles in the production and distribution of the substance in your body. Let's look at all of them. Step 1. Raw material. Firstly, for production, you need a good amount of raw material. The raw material for sexual hormones will be cholesterol. Therefore, one of the things you'll need, first and foremost, is to consume a high amount of healthy fats. Healthy fats can be found in a variety of foods, such as fish, avocado, raw oils, especially raw olive oil, obviously not cooked. Do not heat oil that cannot be heated without producing toxic substances, nuts, seeds, etc. So, these different nutrient sources of healthy fats, will be essential for a good amount of sexual hormone production for both men and women, as we've seen that maintaining testosterone levels is important in both sexes. This is not simply a matter of male hormones. Moreover, it's important for you to know that a good testosterone level goes hand in hand with a good level of growth hormone, which will also be key for an old age without symptoms and without muscle mass loss. Step 2. Production factory. The second factor is having the production factory in suitable condition. In this case, it's the liver. So, the first thing I'm going to recommend you do is a liver cleanse to keep your liver in condition, eliminating toxins. To keep the liver healthy, adopting healthy lifestyle habits is important. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, is fundamental. Avoiding excessive alcohol consumption is crucial, as alcohol can damage liver cells, leading to conditions such as fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Maintaining a healthy weight is also important, as obesity can cause non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a dangerous condition for the liver. Regular exercise helps control weight and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Avoiding unnecessary use of medications and making sure all vaccines are up to date are also important measures, as some infections like hepatitis can harm the liver. Now, another factor is having your factory in condition, but not having the production stimulus. The stimulus for testosterone production can be done through sexual activity, through physical exercise, and through sun exposure. And these factors, especially strength training and high-intensity interval exercise, will be key for good testosterone production. Often, when people have trouble losing weight, I recommend they do strength exercises or interval exercises that are done in a very simple way. But the goal is not that you burn calories and lose weight by it, but that the goal is to change your metabolism through the increase of testosterone and growth hormone. On the other hand, it's important for you to understand that often the production of sexual hormones and growth hormone is not correct because there are many obstacles to their production. In the case of testosterone and also female sexual hormones, the biggest obstacle will be stress. A high cortisol level will always generate a reduction in testosterone levels and will generate a reduction in other values, such as growth hormone. Step 3. Increase vitamin D. A crucial aspect to lower cortisol levels and increase testosterone lies in the adequate quality of nighttime rest. Here, the focus is not so much on the amount of hours slept, but rather on achieving high-quality rest and maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D. Often, there's a misconception of associating vitamin D solely with sun exposure, which is partially correct, as sun exposure activates vitamin D. However, for activation to effectively occur under the sun, you need to have the vitamin D precursor, especially in stressful situations. If you're in the sun but have a vitamin D deficiency, you'll notice that sun exposure alone is not enough to activate the vitamin. On the other hand, it's possible to have a certain skin tone and still maintain optimal vitamin D levels without difficulty. These methods are extremely simple strategies that can be employed to boost testosterone levels. Moreover, one of the most accessible strategies to increase both testosterone and somatotropin or growth hormone, essential for a satisfactory quality of life in old age, is intermittent fasting. After 12 hours of fasting, there's an increase in somatotropin, which in turn boosts testosterone. These are quite straightforward techniques. Try them for yourself and see the return of your vitality and testosterone levels over time. And above all, avoid consuming cereals and dairy, as they significantly interfere with testosterone production. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.